What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. Now this is a super exciting day because we are on our way to get the exhaust modified in the CLA 45S. I have been waiting ages to do this and I know I've been teasing it and I'm super excited. I've got goosebumps all over my arms. I have no idea how it's going to sound. Please, let's hope it sounds incredible. When it comes to exhaust modifications with the CLA 45S, there's now lots of options available. First we have the full catback systems. They are great systems, but the problem is, due to regulations, they cost so much money for such a little change in sound. To truly unlock the exhaust and benefit from a full system, you need to remove the OPF filter, add downpipes, and tune the car to stage 2. Now with the M139 engine still being relatively new, I personally was not confident enough to tune mine. Once you tune an engine, your warranty is completely void, so it's a huge risk on a new car. But guys, what if I told you there was a cheaper and perhaps even better option? This is PCW Exhausts, a highly recommended exhaust modification shop that people travel to from all over the country to have their exhaust modified and sound awesome. Paul's been in the exhaust modding game forever. He's all over the internet and has done work with lots of famous people from the online car community. He's even worked with huge YouTubers like Matt Watson. Now, I came across a video on Instagram of an A45S that he'd modified and thought it sounded incredible. And here's the crazy thing about this mod too. It only costs £340, which is an absolute fraction of the price of a full system. First, Paul removed the exhaust from the car. It came off super easy to reveal what we all know. The tips are super fake. Now this is nothing new, but it was a bit strange to see them on the car here with the exhaust fully removed. To be fair though, AMG have been doing this forever. At least it makes them easier to clean. Paul studies performance cars and learns exactly how their exhausts are set up, and then he comes up with a winning recipe to make them sound incredible. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys exactly what he's doing because he likes to keep his formula a secret behind his curtain. But essentially what I think is happening here is he's opening up the resonator and making some modifications inside to change the airflow. Then he's doing the same thing with the back box. Personally, I wouldn't trust anyone other than Paul to take apart my car's exhaust. He does this day in, day out, and his reputation speaks for itself with all the cars he's done over the years. But I do know many of my viewers don't live here in the UK, so you may be unable to visit Paul. So if you live overseas, what I recommend you do is look into a reputable exhaust modifier and ask them if they can modify your car's silencer and back box to increase the sound. Show them this video and let them listen to it, and they should hopefully be able to figure it out. After the magic is complete, the exhaust goes back onto the car. All the modifications are made on the back side, so it's impossible to see that the exhaust has been modified unless it's fully removed from the car. Right, now let's hear the first startup of the modified exhaust. Hey guys, we're back and we've got the new exhaust and the pops are insane. Oh my god, I really hope they're coming through on camera. It is just a complete transformation. I can't believe it. I left and I floored it and I just burst into laughter because I was just so surprised how better it sounds. It's just insane. I can't wait to film the drive-bys. I mean, you'll see them in the video because I would have filmed them by now, but first impressions. It sounds insane, and the tone of the exhaust is much deeper and throatier as well. Now I will be doing some proper POV videos and taking you guys on a full drive, but I just had to flip the GoPro on and just do a few of these. Oh, it's so aggressive. Oh my god. I didn't think I could love this car anymore, but now it's just the perfect car. Right, now it's time to do a proper before and after comparison between the stock exhaust and the brand new exhaust on the car. I have filmed a huge selection of exterior exhaust clips in this car when it was stock, and now I'm about to go and film the exact same clips, the exact same camera settings with the new exhaust, so you can get a full before and after. So there we have it, guys. That is the new exhaust system on the CLA 45S. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments section below. My initial thoughts are that this mod has absolutely blown me away. My expectations are blown and it has completely changed the car. As you heard in the clips, there's so many more crackles and the shifts are so much meaner and so much louder. The overall tone is also much deeper and louder. I simply love it, guys. This is by far the best mod I've ever done to any car, and it's going to give me so many smiles every time I take it for a drive. If you think it sounds awesome, guys, make sure you give this video a like. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I'll be taking you on a full POV drive with the new exhaust so you can experience exactly what it's like behind the wheel. So guys, make sure you don't miss the next video on this exhaust series. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. So what happened this morning, Amelia?
When I was asleep and I wanted to play with my toy, Daddy's car woke me up.
Oh no, is it a bit loud? And what did Mummy say?
Go back to bed.
Did she say naughty Daddy? And who have you got there?
Crash the Bandicoot.
Oops. That's okay.
Crash the Bandicoot.
Yay. And do you like playing that with Daddy?
Yeah.
Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye-bye.
Tell everyone to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And like the video.
And like this video.
Yeah, you're tired, aren't you? You need to go to bed.